Today, I made delicious leavened large pancakes using 500 grams of flour and 450 grams of water. No oil or salt was added, and the method is simple. Even beginners don't need to worry about failure if they follow my method. Use 4 grams of yeast and a spoonful of white sugar. Then add 360 grams of slightly warm water to dissolve the yeast and sugar. Pour the mixture into 400 grams of flour and stir in one direction until you get a thick and smooth batter without lumps. Use a spatula to shape it, cover it, and let it rise in a warm place until it doubles in size. Sprinkle plenty of dry flour on the cutting board, turn the dough onto the flour, and there's no need to knead or punch down the air. Just shape it into a smooth surface, cover it with a bowl or plastic wrap, and let it rest for 15 minutes before rolling it out. When rolling, be gentle and don't worry about the air bubbles. Find a way to transfer the pancake into a frying pan, cover it, and cook it slowly over low heat. If you're using a gas stove like me, be sure to rotate the pan to ensure even heating. Each pancake takes about 5 to 6 minutes to cook. Cover the pan and then flip it. When flipping, be gentle and continue cooking with the lid on. If the pancake is thick, flip it twice. If it's thin, once is enough. When you press the edges and they spring back quickly, it's ready to be taken out. The whole house will be filled with the aroma of the flour. Every time I make these pancakes, I also prepare some porridge, a few side dishes, or a soup, or steam an egg cake. Everyone in the family loves it. If you want to try it but don't know how to make it, don't forget to like and save this video.